Hello class third. Today I will explain fourth chapter of your science book. The name of this chapter is Birds, Feathers, Beak and Claws. In this chapter we will discuss about body structure of the bird and how does the bird fly, feathers, flightless birds, aquatic birds and different beaks of bird and feet and claws. Birds are flying animals. They are most beautiful animal on the earth. The birds are often of bright colors. There are many kinds of birds. First, body structure of the bird. All birds have streamless bodies. They have head, wings, tail and legs. They have feathers all over the body and bones of the bird are hollow and light. And how does the bird fly? Birds have wings to fly in the air and they have light body made up of hollow bones. Next, feathers. Feathers are light and furry. And there are three types of feathers: down feathers, flight feathers and tail feather. Down feather is small and cover the body of bird. And flight feather on the wings of bird called flight feather. They help to fly. Tail feathers help to change the direction of the bird during flight. Flightless bird. It does not have the ability to fly. Example, kiwi, ostrich, etc. Aquatic bird. Some birds have webbed feet with the help of which they swim in the water. Example, duck. Different kinds of beak of the bird. Birds need food to live, however they have no teeth. They use their beak to hold and eat their food. There are different kinds of beak according to their needs. Different birds have different kinds of beak. Some birds have hard, strong and short because they like to eat grain. Example of this is sparrowbeak and pigeon. Some birds have sharp, strong and hooked beak because it helps to crack nut and fruits. Example of this, parrot, kite. Some birds have a strong scissor-shaped beak which helps them in making holes. Example, woodpecker beak. Some birds have broad and flat beak. They eat strainers leaving the fish and tiny worm in the beak. Some birds have broad, short beak. Example of this is sparrow beak. And some birds have long pointed beak. They use their beak to pull out the insect from the hole in the ground and tree. Example, hoopy beak. Next topic of the chapter is feet and claws. Birds have 2 feet and 2 legs whose claws are present at the tip of the toes. Birds use their feet to move, catch food and to protect themselves from enemies. Perching bird. Perching bird have 3 toes in front and 1 back. It helps to hold the branch of the tree. Example of this, sparrow. Next, scratching bird. It has 3 toes in front and 1 toe at back. They scratches the ground. They are close to eat insect and seed. Example of this, hen. Wading birds. It have long legs with spreading toes. And clamping bird have 2 of their toes pointing upward and pointing downward and it helps to cling the tree. Next, praying bird have sharp and curved claws. Example of this, kite. Swimming birds, they have webbed toes. Example of this, duck. Okay, finish this chapter. Thank you.